I'm back with another video. And please don't forget to hit the like or dislike, I don't care. Just subscribe, please. Okay. So, nice stroll in the park, isn't it? But suddenly...
Ow!
What was that?
You smacked me.
It's a
What was that?
dynamite toy.
Oh, it's a dynamite. Why not run away with it? Action. Okay, today I think it will be a rainy day since it's October. Doctor Day, I guess. It looks like it's gonna be a rainy day. Okay, that was just one raindrop. It's sprinkling.
Right here.
Well, I guess it will be raining today.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's gonna be raining some more. Yep, I guess so. Well, I gotta get going home. It's because it's raining.
It's just gonna be
Okay, I guess I'm gonna be throwing this because I'm not gonna go to doggy jail. This is firework. Woo! Yeah, nice firework.
this video.
Oh
rain's
no,
attack.
it's starting to get dark. I hope it's not raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Oh no.
Oh no, wet stuff. Attack somebody. This time the video.
Okay guys, so I made this video with, again, my dog's new bark box. It was Halloween themed since today's October. I did this with my two neighbors and my brother. My sister, she left to her high school. Okay.
And subscribe to my channel. Don't forget.
Yeah, subscribe to
Subscribe to
YouTube.
Christian's channel, please.
And just in case if you forgot, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye! Oh, and the raindrops that came from this cloud. It was in this cloud, the raindrops. Okay, bye!